Have your legs been feeling weaker lately? Does getting up from a chair, climbing the stairs, or walking across the room feel harder than it used to? If so, you might be losing muscle faster than you think, and it's happening before breakfast, after 60. Your muscles naturally shrink faster, especially in your legs, and the first hour after you wake up can either slow that process or speed it up. Skip one key thing in that window, and walking, climbing stairs, and even standing without help get harder and harder, and here's the worst part, it's silently stealing your strength every single day, and most people have no idea the good news. You can fight back, you can keep your legs strong, your balance steady, and your independence intact without a gym, expensive supplements, or hours of workouts. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what flips your muscles into a hidden repair mode your body is craving and the best way to use it to stop muscle loss fast, starting tomorrow morning. Before we dive in, drop your age in the comments so I know who's ready to keep their legs strong for decades. And hit subscribe so you never miss tips to stay vibrant after 60. As we get older, something starts quietly stealing your strength and most people never see it coming. Every year after 60, you can lose up to 3 to 5% of your muscle mass even faster if your body isn't getting the right signal to hold on to it. And it's not just about your legs looking thinner. It's about everyday things: stepping onto a curb, catching yourself if you trip, or standing without pushing off the armrest, all starting to feel harder. Your muscles aren't just for strength. They're your built-in safety net. When they weaken, your balance drops, your joints take the strain, and your full risk shoots up. The worst part: you don't notice it until it's already making life harder, that creeping weakness that turns a walk you once enjoyed into something you avoid. And here's what almost no one tells you every single morning without even knowing it: most people are setting their muscles up to shrink faster. Get that first hour wrong, and your muscles slip into breakdown mode for the rest of the day. Get it right, and you switch them into repair mode before you even leave the house. In just a moment, I'll reveal the first food that can flip that switch in your favor and why missing it by just an hour can make the difference between building muscle and losing it. The good news: you can keep walking tall, climbing stairs with ease, and feeling steady on your feet so you can move through your day with confidence without worrying about a misstep. You don't have to accept weaker legs, slower steps, or shaky balance as just part of getting older. In fact, you can start protecting your muscles and even rebuilding strength faster than you think without a gym membership, pricey supplements, or overhauling your life. The key is knowing exactly what to give your body in the first hour after you wake up, the single most important window for your muscles all day, so you flip them into repair mode and keep them there. And the best part: it's not exotic or expensive, but it's so common to miss. Even healthy, active people are unknowingly shortchanging their muscles every morning. In a moment, I'll share exactly what it is, why it's so powerful for muscle health after 60, and how pairing it with one tiny habit can make the results come twice as fast. That powerful, muscle-saving food is something you've probably eaten hundreds of times, but maybe not in the way your body needs most after 60. Whole eggs. Not just the whites, the whole egg. For years, eggs got a bad reputation because of cholesterol fears. But research now shows they're one of the most complete, muscle-repairing foods you can eat, especially after 60. Here's why. Eggs are a perfect protein. They have all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. One of them, leucine, acts like the spark plug for muscle repair. Without it, your body doesn't get the signal to rebuild the muscle you lose. Every night, here's the catch: as you age, your muscles stop responding as well to protein. That means you need more to get the same results you did years ago. That's why starting your morning with eggs can be a game changer. In fact, a University of Illinois study found that in just 8 weeks, seniors who ate whole eggs at breakfast walked faster, climbed stairs more easily, and felt stronger in daily life. But it's not just the protein. The yolk delivers a power shot. vitamin D for strength, B12 for coordination, choline for brain-muscle communication, and heme iron for healthy circulation so your leg muscles get oxygen and nutrients exactly when they need them. And here's something most people don't know: skip the yolk, and you skip those benefits. In a moment, I'll show you the best way to prepare eggs for maximum muscle support without adding unhealthy fats and the one surprising pairing that can make their benefits even stronger. If you want the full muscle boost from eggs, timing is everything. Eat them within the first 30 to 60 minutes after waking. That's your prime repair window. Miss it, and you miss your best chance to rebuild muscle. 1-2 whole eggs is plenty for most people. Cook them in a way that keeps all the benefits, without adding the wrong fats. Boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled with a splash of olive oil are your best baits. Skip the butter and processed meats like bacon or sausage. They sneak in unhealthy fats and sodium that work against your muscles and heart. And here's a big mistake to avoid: skipping breakfast or waiting until mid-morning. That slams your repair window shut and you can't get that time back. Pair your eggs with a source of complex carbs like steel-cut oats or whole grain toast to give your muscles steady energy. And in a moment, I'll share one little-known breakfast upgrade that fuels your muscles, fights inflammation, and keeps your energy steady all day, making your breakfast even more powerful. That little-known breakfast upgrade? It's smaller than a grain of rice, but it can be the difference between weak legs and strong ones. Chia seeds. Just 1 tablespoon in your breakfast delivers magnesium to ease stiffness, potassium to prevent cramps, omega-3 salt to calm inflammation, and calcium to keep muscle contractions strong. Together, they work like a team. Magnesium and potassium keep muscles relaxed and ready, omega-3 salt protect fibers from slow damage, and calcium keeps every step steady. Here's the secret most people miss. Chia seeds absorb liquid, forming a gel that slows digestion. That means steady energy and more time to pull every nutrient from your eggs and carbs. It's like upgrading your breakfast from good to muscle supercharged. And the best part, they're almost tasteless, so you can add them to eggs, oatmeal, yogurt, or even a smoothie without changing the flavor. In a moment, I'll reveal the common breakfast mistakes with chia seeds that erase all the good they can do without you even realizing it, and the simple fix to make sure you get the most from every spoonful. Now, if you're going to add chia seeds to your breakfast, you need to avoid a few common mistakes because getting them wrong can erase every benefit and even backfire on your health. Mistake 1: eating them dry. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in liquid. If they swell in your stomach without enough fluid, they cause bloating and discomfort, not benefits. Always soak them first in water, milk, or mixed into oatmeal or yogurt so they've absorbed enough liquid before you eat them. Mistake 2: adding too much too soon. They're powerful, but your digestion needs time to catch up. Start with 1 tablespoon a day. Then increase gradually if you want more. Mistake 3: mixing them into a sugary yogurt cup or flavored instant oatmeal packet. It feels healthy, but that extra sugar spikes your blood glucose, driving inflammation. That works against your muscles. Stick to plain, unsweetened bases and let fruit or cinnamon add natural sweetness. Use chia seeds the right way, and you'll give your muscles the fuel to stay strong, keep your balance steady, and end those surprise cramps before they start, all while keeping your energy locked in all morning. And in a moment, I'll reveal the next simple breakfast food that can help protect your legs and keep you moving with confidence after 60. The next simple breakfast food that can help protect your legs. Greek yogurt. Thick, creamy, and far more powerful than most people realize. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained, packing nearly twice the protein in every spoonful. And that extra protein is exactly what aging muscles need. Just 1 cup can give you up to 17 grams of high-quality protein, including leucine to spark muscle repair and casein to drip-feed your muscles with amino acids for hours. It's also loaded with calcium and vitamin D, the perfect duo for strong bones and steady balance, so you can move with confidence and avoid falls that can change your life in an instant. And here's the part most people miss: the probiotics. They keep your gut healthy so you absorb every nutrient from the rest of your breakfast. A healthy gut also helps keep inflammation in check, meaning less stiffness in your legs and more ease when you move. Go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Skip the flavored tubs. Hidden sugars work against your muscles. In a moment, I'll show you the best add-ins, some you'd never think of, that turn plain Greek yogurt into a muscle-boosting powerhouse, and the one topping you should never put on it if y'all want to keep your legs strong. To get the most out of Greek yogurt, start with plain, unsweetened varieties, dairy or lactose-free, depending on your needs. That way you keep all the protein and probiotics without the hidden sugars quietly working against your muscles. About 3/4 to 1 cup is enough for most people to get a solid protein boost. From there, turn it into a muscle-boosting powerhouse with the right add-ins: chia seeds for magnesium and anti-cramp potassium, fresh berries for antioxidants that shield your muscles from damage, and a sprinkle of cinnamon to help keep blood sugar steady. What you want to avoid is drowning it in sweet toppings like honey, flavored syrups, or sugar-loaded granola. These can spike blood glucose and wipe out the muscle gains you're trying to build. And here's a tip: Greek yogurt pairs perfectly with the next food on our list, a naturally sweet potassium source that's so common you might have it on your counter right now. I'll reveal what it is and the right way to eat it in just a moment. That naturally sweet potassium source, the humble banana. And when it comes to protecting muscle function after 60, it's one of the easiest wins you can add to your breakfast. Bananas are loaded with potassium, the mineral that helps your muscles contract and relax without cramping. One medium banana gives you about 10% of your daily needs. And here's the part most people don't know: as you age, low potassium can actually make your muscles feel weaker and your balance less steady. They also bring magnesium for flexibility, vitamin B6 for turning food into muscle fuel, and natural carbs for quick, steady energy, perfect when paired with protein from Greek yogurt or eggs. For the most benefit, go for bananas that are ripe but not mushy yellow with just a few brown spots. Slice them over your yogurt, stir them into oatmeal, or eat one on the side with your eggs. Skip drowning them in sugary smoothies or pairing them with sugary cereals that can spike your blood sugar and work against the steady energy your muscles need. In a moment, I'll share one final breakfast upgrade, a savory option that delivers anti-inflammatory power and muscle-building protein in the same bite. That final breakfast upgrade, it's not exotic. You've probably had it hundreds of times, but maybe not in the way your body needs most after 60. Salmon, specifically smoked or cooked salmon paired with your morning protein. Why? It's one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, the anti-inflammatory fats that help protect your muscle fibers from slow damage. Less inflammation means less stiffness when you move and fewer aches after activity. Salmon is also packed with complete protein to rebuild muscle tissue, plus vitamin D for bone strength and B vitamins to keep your energy and balance steady. And here's the part most people don't know: omega-3 South don't just protect muscles, they can help them respond better to the protein you eat. That means every bite of your eggs or Greek yogurt works harder for you. The easiest way to add it: a few slices of smoked salmon on whole grain toast with a layer of Greek yogurt or mashed avocado. Or fold cooked salmon into a veggie omelet. What you want to avoid is loading it with salty spreads or heavy cream cheese. Too much sodium and unhealthy fats can undo the anti-inflammatory benefits you're aiming for. When you combine this savory omega-3 boost with the potassium from bananas and the protein from eggs or yogurt, you've built a breakfast that defends your muscles from every angle. And in a moment, I'll tie it all together, showing you how to build a full muscle-saving breakfast plate that's easy, fast, and keeps your legs strong for years too. So try this muscle-saving breakfast tomorrow and see how much stronger, steadier, and more energized you feel. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these foods will you add first? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button if you found this helpful, and share it with a friend who wants to stay strong after 60.